Nkwada bia amu akam beat something young lady bako sa. In fact, I'm raho. I'm raho. Na ayasemu na mameni anjekra ne dru baby na abrante bako. Also boy rescue team no. Anope. Na dru baby na o demand say omumaniska and people were complaining that didn't also this cancer. Ko jina nso ni finfini ono kwa kraba kwa akake mo no betima yi no no ka che say enye siska no peso oje na no kwasem pai wo ni say not before any pose for adwuma no mi na begina o maye nhwe han no bia kan nsa hye ni botom dia ono no esi enso ni mu dia no kwasem ewo ni say also oje kakra na emomu say adwuma no mu ye no they should employ the right people. That's how I see it. They should employ the right people, because sir, you have nadmwa. It shouldn't be said you free to basin and yayan na party be bar. Na ya fire go for go. That is not my problem or my worry. My worry is over party bano. Now over beer or what expertise was our field. Yes, idea. Oko for the wrong person the bar. Adwuma no beba so muntimi nye. Enti worrying. Very worrying. Enti abrante ni dika. Hadwin. Enuma bebre wo wa ya fa nkofo, but I ask myself say sa nkofo na ya fom omo adwuma no nim die pa eyese. Omo adwuma no nim die omo wo no eyese. And he says socket here wa da bia kan brofo say who yusu around hole na ode a square plug ashim enyeye enti socket here boy said ye wa hai said ye si ayi say rectangle say square near the design kakra kan na afi yakofa fuse na edibe room ne kan socket no you know ni tini edi room no round ni bi so one round ni bi da na ye for so ase edibe shem a troubling, a worrying. Enti more farm call for the enhancing. But more farm call for was a more farm call for a human on betimai. That's the most important thing. But the honey dear Obia obetima kan choboy kakra ye dede kakra no. No recommend people na ye phone. Yenye background check papa bia hu se enipa no the potentials e bi kura na ye de ko share be before frank adwuma na ho ko betima ye pa nanso so yenwen saade no sa kwan no so yenwen saade no o sa kwan no so entimpempi no na akoye bibia ho enti Kevin so was a video na abranche no ejina nso no jina car ne so a edru ba bi o ka che omu se omumra na omman 3000 ansa na yetimi ayiwe ya yetimi akọ yanimu afiri ho no ma na anopai na anopai yenhwe de besi enso ho because I was a bit sad, a bit worried. Na mama down. Emra apprentice did not before botoni bi na otwen wonsuo nim saa ana odene ba na oso ahomanim na opushi no ho no saa ayade aye worry and to some of these things, you know, say nya professionals are e bedru baby na de nsem bebre na bebre e bedru baby e de nsem bebre ana e bebre Kwame no pay match
Open image also
empom to say
Ade Akye Abia yentumi complain ti ya won kwano de aseda na ye de be manyame na ya hwede ne dey e wo de baye e ba cha na ozo e
nyame adom wode na achen just say an pay videos bi am hwehwe no Kwame no kwasem pa se amma buto kakra
no kwasem open ya hosem papa bi was fitin rana na me nya update hwehwe videos bi na me say wow the yatna se ayenhwe han ama ensuo ababe ye wo mai mu ha enie but this time openi want to say you be hold penny be responsible and accountable nti afibia ne afibia beba no se nipa na nye na adwuma yi a onimsa asotwe bie ni ho onimsa asodi bie ni no so nti no adwuma no obeye ne saa no asori ko. And I wonder, say, positions are so sensitive, pa. It is a nadmo. Say, a appointment, based on political appointment. Say, Nipano, your party chairman, Nipano, your party, we near Kofano, with no expertise in that field. With no knowledge in that field. Fine. As much as they will be appointed, some political activities so more head, you know. At least I was say your makwai. So they be supervise. Your makwai na technocrats no minimum jumano or grounds no matiasi no. We want to be 2 and more. They are preventing all of these disasters. All of this unforeseen, unwanted, uninvited disasters. See, semma. Cause a toda say yedi say party go akwemu a oyemi bi wo ho ento yen say yedi say yedi go akwemu a or how bi wo ho emma yakwemu but because
say mamemra fache me na eba asa no senior journalist upon checheku we remwani ona nsuo ha no koda no be be jawo na me say eh krache wo ware yen cheyo hweye na wa ngo sishio bisera wa gire chire wa abame
careful
so o de zoomi de obenya bia ye be fa de sare bisera wa abode kwa ba che
mejo so Nkwantabisa
na opo te sai
adum nya hwe o me tibi sa mosumo ho ya no pay
ya hopo adum ya ho ya pa dan kra te sai no pay
and crying and na wada no pay die kumu na ye jin kakra ama enyi mu so enyansa chere kakra asese
na ohwa current condition esuam na o wada
ntina make us no pay die ewuma ye kutu kakra no pay gugu kakra but no nche da nye duda sino eno ni ade aye bom aye be se na mi nyankopon ebe bi mi mudi
amaya na whatever ade sha se wadi acha frijuada efrinan mada besi ene ya oda so rewram experience ni ama wa ehuhu bi den man hwede ekoso
Nkwantabisa medase nokweni piti eye dano ya wada na se ene na woche ene da etoso eye enan enkramante mo no sei nokreni ni esi wa ha no sei ade bi a ye bompa ye ahwe nyankopon se ma ebiem ensi boss mr nyama me ye life we are mr nyama why
obese nyama we life
da no ejuada no ena eye ebeto pon so kire se insuo begugu ba insuo na begugu no ebe ya ade ebe ha adwene ba ya na anyini se ade ebe toa so apema ko nanim saa intimate ni da no juada na insuo ni fi ase na anopa no na anopa ebra na bo eye nunum ekobo anopa no nsia no insuo ni fi ase Nkwantabisa no kwani normally insuo to saa na aya eto ninyan nanso unim bia ye be free ubehu ane se ogatamu nyina yema ntino enam so ema eye nkran insuo kese ewo ye nkran so to bia ene se edum ma no homene so e ha adwene ebetimi di amanfunya eye odona nti odona insuo no eye mabun kamfa so na odona insuo no ye insuo bia so pa ntino ehiriye edifiti esuro no mwa na chesene eba bepie mu ewo eye alajo ena alajo na mwa bepie mu efa circle Nkwantabisa se meka sei inso ni to be don hwe ba akoko don hwe ni ilum no na chese nkran bia ye nyina ehiri na nyedi kan a yetiye no ebra na inso ni to no na ejanso ato eye enkane mfrihye bi etwemu akọ dia ya inso etoye ema ehiri ye eja enemu a ehye amanfo di amanfo wu san yempese beka Ghana for we wontinu yemfa no nsi wo bia ye na arewo semi siye no na chipen ena eye enjei a etoye dano insu eto dano adwada nu ehope na chese eye eja inso toye abia e wono no eye wo mom tonton roba yi bi ana edi dwa ho nti to mu shi ho no nyina na Nkwantabisa arewo semi wo ni se eja to ya fire service for bebedu ho no omunya kwanko esan se bia wonom ne so eben odona nti nsu no ehiri ede afa wonom ne nyina Nkwantabisa se wanhwe yi a oka ebe loki ana nsu ne behim we no oka ne nyina de akoisan se nsu no ahode a na ede nam odona nsu no ne mu odin nti enam so ema ye hwe se nyane ntie bio se se ka mpotamo no nyina ehiri no yenkohwe bia bi ti se alajo ni car price Nkwantabisa efiti bra me bankan me ni kuri se me no hu ni bida esan san Nkwantabisa insu ehira ma sabe wotintintie wogina ma ye hu eja akompo kura de ono no na ebie betimi de na susu biaya eye alajo wonom e won so kura ni timi kura ye hu babra de no kura ni an kura ye hu na taade mpo inji nsu no ne ye na no din sabe anya sam na bi na da ho na meka sese bia sabe me dimo ye nsusu ye de ye hu eye bia ye kwantempo major highway a ekọ eye otimi fa konsa omutimi sanso nam so e de bankran car price na alajo mpotemo na mekan Nkwantabisa nye fiu lor kwenu insu ne bunkama fa wonyina ma wodi list edo beko na niye hu ewo mu a ye da Nyankopon ase ebra insu ne tie ne se full tanker bi ekodinchie ewo Atenka FM kokomemle multimedia traffic light wono no ema chese enam so ema full tanki bi insu ne nyina ena saa ho no mokro na so no two major filling station ho benkum no eye Shell filling station ni fan eye Total filling station inso ne nyira fo wonu mu nyina enti saa potam wono eba car price ne aveno ebe fa eye alajo wono ne de na kwantempo mu nyina ho nyina bon petrol wona mba bia woti petrol ana wo inso ne ni saa intenu so ya de hu bo bebaye Sompa ye nyakonya ne eye akrameyo yewa papo alote ye ni di nkomo na sabre no no so na munso ni mu a nani abre a no se okokope eye kanu e de fitation ni ngwa no de ababesi eye alajo na ayi amanfo bie free de aye a wo muntimi empie free ho ntini esini yade a nokure ni ye bompa ese ma biem ensi biem da e won kan sansa amanfo japade de asai pa enimu anu ebeto pon so chese nipa mienu atwa nananu wonse do no insuo ni esusu se fo mu free eye alajo ena eyi wo mu se mo muto a nananu wonse do Nkwantabisa onyame adoma enani china ekopen ne memene danso no insache ba beto dia kire mi se insuo ni besan so atoi no kra de mu be yedin nti eno ni mpaya ye bo ase nyankopon se wo wi mobo na sa no be yedin pokura me ndu ne esi ye da no ya wada no esanse oni so to brimu edu brese na insuo ni keka no nanso afie we diem ni de no krani edi amanfo nya
eti say no akoba ni say ya enkofo nya baby na enkofo ya stranded yedim say national disaster management for no hodie then the current situation for enkofo mu enya baby enedai
me da say enu a wejaba we ma shebedwani honorable saib any incentrofo di nkomo e define important sense ni area hono say flood prone area a chese okopim weja hono ma no kuri ni ho so de na no den e wona kum chacha sori wo a inso yiri fa sori dan ni nyina so kuri ni baba ya areho sempa na wadi tuja chiro se woni yenuanu muzimi fo bia kasa ama omo mosque na omo ni asori mpanifo ni bi so akasa ama nsori so ama eye omo dan se omo mram nti no na ye ne se wa modern actor eye mattress na wodi ama eye adehye omo ho aka eni menum ye nadmu so eguso bo omo ho no as an individual ne de kakra wetina ye edi ama no ala jo ne important nso no empanifo wonum ne so ehye aboa ama amanfo mute bia ye a omutie nso yiri omu be yi omu dibrede afi odomako bia efofo nte ka mate se impenifo obo omu homodin eti amanfo su na omahwe na omasa no kumasibrede amom no kurani Nkwantabisa nso na eto aha adwene Prophet Najigaze wo no ankasa ni fie nso ni yiri efa wono makosa ni nyema nyina nti nso yi eyade bia ye bom pa esema ensibiu sanse ye hwe bia ya ene da bia nkran apegya kwakoduro na da bia nso beto afie bia bedu na ya so mattress niane ne da kwakoma wo mo ho akire wo ne saa no ekobasa adwene nti awose ya den susu ya pon bi di si wono mo na ye hwe mo amote bia ye nso wo nyina no ewose yi o mo firi ho project bia ekoso ewo bia ye bia ensusu se wose eba no ewose hwe ne yi firi ho ye nyai se afi bia so a na aturenchen sisi na yakwakosi puno ne yakopa ensa so kakran ne da akwakomom entonkosi da Nkwantabisa
na me said day na mo ya den ne de interior minister kra be kan say wa won pie ye no kafie and all that say business to say adwade so to say
Nkwantabisa no kurani nyame ni si eda adwada no you will be surprised say odi oni nkranye ebi nanti fiti kantamanto ebedu eye domi no munya ka nkwa amasaman
wow
nye won fra amasaman enso aba ebeka kwantimpon echi nti amfa ne se okọ eye Salome ena ebia wo fi eye insawam aba baby ti se kutuba bi anase ebia kokomemre na obedwada se watade akọ adwuma untimi nkọ na ohu ma mpanifo a papa mpanifo a omu nyina ade omu nan esisi nsuom na omu eye ne omu ye a no kurani anodin nti eno ene ne a yesusu ye bo Nyankopon pa ye se masa de ni biu ensida
video bi by minim area cross hu a branch ba kwa na obo anadmufo ogina nsuom na odimande 3000 what was that video no
Nkwantabisa me hu esi wala jo important ono
da ade akasa na ekoso
no kurani won se ebra ba sa no na nkran hanu se ni won mante ni bi won ma omo bomodin ewo eye insuo dware mu omo ntese mi a ni mu adwade enti no eba sa no na ehu behia se wo se omo hwepe won betimi aba enti ehu se abawe bi a yesusu se odan insuo nani mu na ewo se yehwe na afi yi wo mu edu wo mu efiri eye insuo ni mu nti eno anenam so a ema abrantia no bitu dwachim se eyade onu betimi yi body ni de afi insuo ni mu nadmufo enhwempe kakra informant ko ba ti say business Nkwantabisa nya no mpokura enkan ankasa no odona importem wo ene afensu no eye circle Kwame Nkuma interchange no asie wonum ni nyina flade ye nti mo mu di dwa wonum ni nyina ne maka nsu nti se wo pese obi ba no ba be board de man se ne be charge o ebi nso de omo fa wonya anyema pa esanse ye hwe toilet aworo eni afin so no bisikiti eni amanfo ajapade polytank eni chese nyema de amanfo fa wonya anyema pa nti se bia wo ye wo dia na wo hwe na bia anyema na ekoni mu emu so bodia de wapa manta ne che wapa kakra mo no matimi akwakoyi de amomo nti no se ebi ru aho ne bi nso fa ho enya bibi kakra to mo na sense da no dwada na nkasa kwa na adwuma enye obi anya adwuma untimi ma nti da dwada ne de anya no wanwa se education ministry ni so de beto bia chim se ma obi bia ntimi enko school se ya de a eno so ba be ha adwene kakra but ni nyina mu no Nkwantabisa ne ye hwe ne se enton ko si da ben ena nso to bia nkan ha no se nu ebe hira fa amanfo
Memo akono ahomboabo atesei sese ye hu za ubedru ba bi na ka akwa baby na any properties ni ade saa ne ma nyina ye nyamfiri wa se de ye nyina ye bompa ye se ya wadai kosi ni kwasi ada se de Ghana Meteorological Agency akai anka ye hu the volume ni se ekoso but ahomboabo aben ana team ni nso aye se no a cars akochoki baby na nso no asisi akwan no ede no mo ya fa ho se be nso ni be betima flow yi
Nkwantabisa me da se sie no ne akoba ni se mantem so afo ye Greater Accra Regional Minister eni ni mayor de akwakotudwa etiom se nukure ni omo hwe apepan a ombetinya fa so a ye amanfo a omo aken ye behe na fe yemma womu fa oya omu bi se ni de ejode ya de egusu koso business koso bia ya obeku bia no unsa amanfo ejum dwan kakra nanso important ye bia insuro ehiri fa amanfo ne de Nkwantabisa business won de bia ni metimi aka ne se aduane no afo ana ebi omo no ombetimi aton ma de kakra anope me ko fa eya alajo mpotem kakra ni me huye no ayesa so na amanfo egusu pepa omoniema ho eyi omoniema edi efri dia ya insu awe fitafo e won potem no de Nkwantabisa me nya sure say nene tumbe tina yo madwuma nti eno nso akwakoye bibi a ewo eye honuma nyina mu ye hwe se etu ebetime atwa ba Nkwantabisa ansa mekọ no wo se dia ye bi ewo eye kaneshi empotem wonu mu ewo nyina nsu yiri fawo e ma che se abuso kran wo tonton ne wo ne abu mo ne se anso mo wonu hardware ne ma no tonton so inti nisan enshada ha adwene sa ne mo a mo tonton ne ma se bi mu ha a inso betime chim de akone de meni nyina ye ni ahode betime ahwa no san se de adu won ma wo hono sa obo anabola ababa wie ofie anim efri inso no anaba beja bola de ama sa ne ye me ya ne se ade ne si da no edwada mika say ene ye ya wadai inwura eni efi a yeyi ede si circle ne important no say so ni sia to bi mu a sa efi kroye be san so atwi ede akwakosi eye insuo kwan ano kwan ema entimi nya akonya me insuo ni nsin na fe no so ama aba behiri kolekrote ma shebedwani ono abuzina to Rollins ono so bo no modern ono ni important money na se ne constituency ono kra de bia for salam down insuo na te bucket ba kokko yi fa manfo nanso de bia wa no motse nti no wano so wakọ ni omakọ akokasa ahwe kwan no so mbetina fa so a mbetina ide for Nkwantabisa ye bi say ye won sem bi say bi uni say ye sha fi bia insuo to bosumi mienu June July ni so say insuo ne bre a edito nti amanfo calculate ya na fe du June July a na fe omo hwe apekwan bia omdom nti e twemu pe na omasan so abawo nti bia won say nkran so dan no papa enye betesa nti wo na say bia wo pa wetimi ede wo usika kakra wurem na wa hekwan obetima fa so abia ya wote no wo betima ye save ede ama na so ni nyina mu no insuo insuo na san so anwoden
no anya djuma pa obo dia chisa dia mesi bia na wa ma hwefo ne atiefo nso so anya mu antiye anɔpɛ da se bebree
me so me da so nia
senior upon nana upon checheku aye parliamentary correspondent so no yeah oton crafting crime adema sompa terror media no anɔpɛ ono so nkomo a ekoso no de si onyina otwa mfonyini edema Kwame na wanugu asem so na yakwa ahoaso yi
o tie nchiremu achicheku de ma ya anɔpɛ ya Emorium. I think for this time round and for the last time, we will do and do it right. We will do and do it well. Nanka flooding, kay dictionary mudie, when nanka frimu kura. Saying to me, frimu kota kura na, like at least 90% of it can take care of it. Now you will say it's a flood in this year. Now like when you abroso and sooner time and abroso no beer and the flooding can clear the baby. And the pioneer me ready a sophophobe name pennyphobia. Your mocha say flood na as you know and your qua na spiritual. Kwame, I would want to agree with them with my own explanation to it. Say yes, I'm it here, but not as to say spiritual. I say be a spiritual. I said you are more kind spiritual in the sense I made you to money say yes. Water body is now doing in a food because baby I was what da baby I was what na. But I wasn't called of finding the peace no to meet no on man and call my name Tinasa. And the alpha call wasn't good to me locating a home opening quarter. What's saying at tonight? And I know what enough for her, and the chair would enough for her, and the chair would enough for her. Into who baby as a sea, so a castle can home, and I say, so to no castle be a Yurika Caribbean for baby, or who baby of a fat. Into all who may be your father, any, my main team for my dear. It's spiritual in my own understanding. I will agree with them, say, sin it here because your man sworn ankasa bread and your dear befa. Your man bread and your dear betina. Your man bread to the extent to say, on one casa be a baby or one casa the hotel. To say the hotel and the busy. The hotel na be nebesi the besi ane so oba pekwan bia henha ne ho no wakaso henha no so a oye ne beba wo so ni so in that line and in that aspect I agree with them unless maybe they have any other explanations to the unbekans spiritual and for but in this line I agree with them because opinions and so the sense see na that anymore in choka it the move na o move faso yiri manje the spirituality no but you don't take advantage of say oh Charlie I say you want to say your day-to-day activities and a man so na bua faso because Kwame say so no baby ote and I say town baby ofa no move oh move faso and the spirit is so mesere no about the tear for baby about the how it's a great lesson for us as a country because we World Bank for year $350 million a bind a tray mono ekoyi $103 million openi say we expenses or modia ya yetumi omo say mabere close to 20+ million for training na actual na you be awure say you dey tackle flood na nkasa $11 million how like how na ne obe dey aso adia no ene obe dey na di wa brena se ene obe dey na DSC NCBM you've called for it and you have to experience the wrath of ensuno I'm trying so hard. Say me the expenses. Ya check a company $103 million. Are we $103.8 million. Oh, we free the coffers in the mono. They spent 22.1 million. I 21% for training. $7.9 million, a year 7% was spent on consultancies. 60.8 million. Yes, you diverted the COVID-19 related spending. 1.68 million you use for other costs, largely purchase of vehicles. And 11.4 million, 11%. And no any do flood prevention and mitigation work. Training required to meet the 22+ million. And this morning, those who are disputing the fact and are saying, and this are women they should come and explain to us how they spent the $103 million. That's all. That's all. I'm a World Bank, the report about Bontin say, Sikano, Obedi, Huruha, Yusika. Yeah. But first one, you need to be first one. Yes. Assembly no akano. Assembly no akano. Sikano edi enim, edi ensem fantasy be ye. Na aje ya adwene no edi atu ba bi. And the truth of the matter they say, opening say we nim nyansa, untumi nya sika. Sika so ba won chen a enche. Obehye no.
Ntem kra
enu bi na ya yɛ resisia no sika no ba di ehu ya hopopo ya akɔmɔ na le si yɛn so yi kwame de be fa so nya sika yi bia ba se botum obedi na se ka odi ye flat issue yi na wo ye yi a ɛna flat yi ba nko wodi kro obi anko pe sika yi mo kyira kwan hu ene bisa he because wo ye adwuma no ɛna de ye adwuma nso na didi
ya ha de ye nya adwuma nso ye didi
ye adwuma na didi. Why not you man saying why? Why do you want to eat? To make a when you do opinion, ready. No, but we are do not. But some so what you are keeping no one will be so empty. But what we are doing to ourselves as a nation, as a country, and you're not. And you're very, very bad. It leaves a room for Obi to judge us. Say Sebi ye nim de ye entina de atuye no etuye. Because how can this be happening? How can this be happening to us? And then the first time, then the second, then the third, and then the fourth, and then the fifth, and then the sixth. And you do obedi. What here will be who are so abosum? What's a cotias second one was abosum? Ese cotias third one. Maybe you now there how? So we need to set up. We need to come to a round table. And Kwame, because it is because my politics na didi etrimo. And when you say NDC te so say MPP te so kra no aba be ye because we MPP ni we NDC ni nti o kire say we na ya. Na odu gura so say politics say me NDC ni nti me MPP ni nti no ye say. And we so take advantage of that say the me to all among na back to obeso e be do so now we to tia me because say my making decision e be boa so be ban fa so about but we penti and e daare dey na de open e na me ya ma na de open na me ya ma so a oye me ba o be frɛ me ba kakra bi na me da ba ma na me da support to me we ready we trim well there na a change in the huge of it no ma fa and no today we make us yet me for ye me am ho kwan and the politicians ye di ye omodi ye system no wo ho emra no wo ho sika no wo ho but it is because we are not angry enough, we are not demanding enough, we are not telling them the exact now what we hear about no minor develop it na yanka sounds we develop it. So they are taking advantage of our leniency. They are taking advantage of your political affiliation now you so attached to. And what but I am just hoping and praying say this flood issue. President Dramani Mahama or Tina Chopamu no fefa akra who said ye city no it should be the last warning to us. It should be the last thing we will ever encounter. It should be a lesson curve for us. Say, pragmatically, now you deliberate in solving this flooding issue. In fact, we need to be deliberate. We need to be deliberate in solving these flood issues. Now, if we are deliberate and passionately, we will solve it. We will solve it. The only one can say, but the only one can say, at least we should give them some time and relocate them. As much as a hard oh,
and so say assembly and yentemna look at this 350 million.
I know that there is a contingency. You did is a you did could oh, as I'm no other. So you name Rani and Cotamsi can free baby Ashanti and one. You see,
same quadata,
Obini almost close to the Pabaya 500,000 rather. And now we do data and I was so homeless. Almost 500,000. We homeless, only baby that. It is our cause. It is system failure. And it is because your leaders doesn't know what they are doing. Let him before your cause. Your system no failure. And your leaders also need your money. And they are 2 years.
Did there be a they say you're retrogressing?
Yes. You take a step back. You take it by a trade.
Every time we have problem. You see, and accountability has become difficult for us because say we don't
ask for it.
Ye musaniama, ye nhwehweniama, na ye mankofo hu say ye need nyoma echi. Ti troka sa because I say well, na ma reho. The allocations are yeah some time ago. Emma sa same place. Ya na me pese be say amanyosem. But even Mahama part 1 at a Mills Nanado, only a recent one, so Nanado de no habo. If we are married, Semenya those times are now Mills at a John Dramani Mahama Diamo. You see, every day, you have to give excuse. Now, radio for Abetenas no Makasawa, now everyone because you said, I'm engineers near special. Ya paradio moi. While on a platform will be actually the bobble. I'm saying, oh, well, crab names a course cry, a program cry steady. Oh, uni. But near the tour. The seven moon PING is a planning engineer. Who's your engineer? Oh, open it. So, of course, engineer Kwame Nkwantabisa. And already have planning engineer PING. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
This dredging cleaning up is going to take about 6 months to complete this one. Then the Kuala
Bamini Komomra, Mene Reverend Jefferson Kwesi Agotro, any Komo, on a founder and CEO of Friends of Health Association FUHA. Now they are into legal aid, they are into health, they are into public speaking, they are into a lot of things. Now anopay odwan kasa ewa humano so yede na eni komo rara anopay ma che.
Yes, so me tiefo so.
Tiefo nyina jonso ne pombo ko de.
Yesu adom, je so mo so mo ye.
Yakopon adom ye ho so ye pa.
Good.
But if
just 1 minute.
So yiri ni nyama ekoso enyoma ekoso nya de ye onwanwa. This is not the first time. Na enya afei na uhu bi ewo maimu emre bia yakodi asaba but mamenyo initial comment on that.
Yes, so system work room hanuma enya de baako na first time AC na the bremo attitude because gutters drainage system and adjustment so no to anywhere be among down ways because elsewhere you talk but still because the system am creating to do Ghana the young unfortunately because in Sweden and what I mean climate change but we do have system you have no credit in your ATM account.
Oh, Charlie. That's still now. Kwame Nkwantabisa retake the call now. Yeah, because I'm surprised. It's not supposed to be so. Now, any reverend in come so. May see anybody come on here health wise and so. Ekobasiya. Ekobasiya me one thing I am sure any problem no. But the ensure bibi wom na yemfa mo ho ba. Reverend.
Yes.
Now I no go asem so na eteko wada room.
Yeah, na mechanism over Ghana a flooding system na a attitude because baby sit on a railways baby and sofa. Say the Ghana on India for baby or structural engineers, your planners, and you sit down baby Omuna also that authorization. By question is you baby you sit down and you know issue kwano. Why not those authorization? Do you know your attitude? Unfortunately, just unfortunate. We had new man, na a man for lose lives and baby omotia. You know, unfortunate situation. But your attitude, a human, and a lack of say a bit to take decisions and the baby.
Na akoba say a more health for no yenhwe ehon so dia na wo say esua free emra nso ayi from various areas na back from ebi didamu ene de keka ho dia na wo say esua free
emra I say there is a lot of public health concern because the ensure will be ano when the kind of environment you are moist no give room for microorganisms in the area back be a cholera, be a dysentery, mankind also for example breeding of malaria parasite and mosquitoes. And where to say an education a key, say you better you deal me now about especially now anybody things you know already. So the water at this time no you can't do much. You have that contact, but the will be in your parents say or maybe the dear. This seminar the kind of COVID-19 by Kromo hand hygiene and this time I was there hand hygiene every year or more said you know more money and soon pick to miss a meal this week and new man who do I'm sure but my I work as a power coma in a cholera outbreak or I intimate containing to see one your government agencies, your the public health unit, when you said they are also doing those surveillance, but individual responsibility, young kasa say bewe apomudini aduane beto. Unfortunately, anybody go around me nipa can change insurance plan you bit media no aduane no asa ton nipa. See, I think I was say increase your compliance level. Yana yana ya came since ansana. Your 2 more na over the baby among 14 point on the Friday na my and so so those will be the danger. Now sometimes in the community to me this your enforcement I don't make sure since you know the baby now younger society your ultimate when I say but show you and me and only the first thing you need to me about government say you better baby since you know you be fumigating because you know debris. Maybe I know me toilet or moving show you know what's a toilet in so can you imagine what is being carried out? See a very dicey situation now. Some you share your history now your health system also a public health unit is the time of most of my I need now to assess then if you do risk assessment and you do the risk communication and the risk management. Because I mean, I was saying the interim, I don't soon in Ankoy.
Now, my mum say, oh, Akobani saying so, na Sabi, dead bodies, ya nebi was so, how are handless no, a handle, no, and also so, then I'll be found.
And also a major issue, very major issue. And also sanitation department, Kauko Assembly Bia Organ High was sanitation department. environmental health, they have to move to the ground and assess the situation. And to normally they are training more academy and quiet fast to handle that situation when you know. But then the challenge is that to work on the offices. So we need to go to the ground. The flood prone areas I see some media or sanitation officers. Also will go to the ground to assess the situation. Then they have to also visit the entire hospitals around to see and another video behind us much TV insurance was a body being so it poses a lot of risk to that community and even not the community now you can have a business treat insurance as much as a matter of urgency, and after the treatment then we look at education and we say the more material then they have to stop drinking streams. And literally at this time of the world, the mechanized borehole amount for ending street issue. And then you telling already Galamse are saying to me, once a year, and I will swap account. See, we did this environmental agency with various stakeholders, every district, your health directorate, they have to be up and doing to go to the environment to assess. Environmental health is key part of our health intervention in the country. See, I'm only did this you get to me now by access for now, said you are not assuming for we have not gotten the concrete figure. So they are still treating for us for the those assessment. I was in the individual ways in which we assess these issues. I'm going to be a boy.
Everybody say, Metbaga says, so dear, I am polluted. But there are other answers. Obi Odma, and where be no more fire, Diane, ever Toma public, and where be and we hear brain when where be. And deep jarry and that what catches your responsibility. Say yanka say be health to personal hygiene be adwuma. But in this situation, Dana yen so your work chire ebia ya vulnerable. Pe bibia diu pe bibianum yanso ye be.
Senior say and so you're very careful. Adibia ye no me yenhwe ni ye. Say be say baby afrad no ponsi and a man for if you ever cross infection. So being this transmittable disease and you're saying you take your hand hygiene very seriously. And watch what we eat and say baby and no be free as much as possible. Yes, yeah, we can cook from the house because sometimes nippers soon to me predict it. Every omit me in sure you be an autonomy pantino say Yankasano. You take your health into our hands. Abra ever said the various agencies in the surveillance. Monitoring and then evaluation by Yankasa, every part of the country, every apumudi hand hygiene, now as much as possible, and only need which my Abra government, any other state agency, step in to contain the situation.
Footwear tade my and in them so electrocution and all that. But health wise, and so and in them I don't think to me Yansu. Akoba ni se omune namu so hwe videos here circulate ya ni namu sa so yimu ECG for beka cho se hweye na anhwe ana homa bi but enti omadundundundu omu de nyina but health wise enso yi ya ni namu nso entimi mpuli ani ayibia to us.
Yes, so to me now because you know the be one ma bit man diffuse into your skin. Arabia near open up for foot road this annual money. So reference you my or Wellington boot and your advice I was be doing and then who reference you this only the security agencies or one mandate to almost ammonia those assessments and just we take it those charge to yourself because our transfer be bit media my bit man when you are on your foot. To know a implication here debris to your more asebi who can rescue team no as much as possible. We have to take ourselves out of that situation. Yadi and Naibanan Sunumu said be safe here. The government is looking at how or more my victim, a better be a mom, consuming a more better amount. And the consequences are that and more framping for and more fresh, especially being the other swimming pool. So we have to take note of that. Senator and some fire really be ember. See, and only there I was say at this point in time.
Well, yeah, send ya mope health, good health, mama for teaching more krasiye, modiska kesiye, invest a lot, say for good health. Na akobase nanom agenda 111 na aban etwa mu no na de nso ade mu say ebeba infusion na amafo anya access to health facilities. Ya da wa ne ate say uram na dances kwa ho baby ne miamia baby a tese baby a project ne cost na cheap galamse nsunie project ni galamse nie mote sa na sign na ya musifa no
galamse situation already implication here dire be a kidney disease and then nipa omunya kidney disease number na cost across the country na ni na is a sign that mercury enye mai nipa dia abra nipa no. The galamse situation you advocating on a lot of time. We are sitting on a time bomb because in Sue iron on water is life. Anybody about 65 to 70%. You be any bit man taking place in the absence of water. Now I will say you hold some water. See or actors, policy actors, especially government, because galamse is serious thing. It can't be sustainable future. See, you cannot sacrifice the future of tomorrow for the sake of today. Now, there, Yanni said, yes, any money now, we are killing ourselves. And it's right, I first not turn on an no more. And that time which we know you. When I was growing up, turn on an there was no bowl. And we drank that water for many years, and they went to me, and point to me, and see you, Mampo. So I say, you say, galamse is actually getting us to a very serious trouble. I can't want here. Because a very, very serious. But we know majority of responsibility agent buying policy actors, your security agency, and it's a great security concern. And really, maybe no, the consequences we cannot contain it. As an organization, we've been advocating for 18 years. And we are not for 18 years. You see, you do maybe as a Ghana.
Wow.
See, you might can answer. I was saying, the religious bodies, community, civil society. If government cannot fight, we cannot keep quiet for all our people to die. But here, as people are, it means you go into the grassroots. We know that people life matter. See, I'm not making my account. I see now you say that I'm saying effects and health implications. Really, now it is claiming a lot of life, and we need to be careful about that.
Rara pai ma ya na se pa mo enso ni adwuma na ya mamo happy anniversary 18 years. It's not a joke. My adwuma pa na me nkoso na onhia mo no ntem ashim.
Amen.
All right. Reverend Jefferson Kwasi Agboto anati say ene no edim komo no na founder ma Friends of Health Association for Jumako mukuko nkrase akwhwe nkofo yade free dinronia de adite ba health ono aka so health person no na okoti ato mu gina ono onza akofodom ya no wada dia you operation no obo adwuma tu
therefore we anesthesia sana de
yes anesthesia
yeah Reverend Emniki solid point be back say was he a true light kese pa editoso. After this flood, I was a Ghana Electricity Company, and I say Electricity Company of Ghana. We must share our sensitization, education. Yase, we find it serious. Because once we so now we move say na baby a ya wiring na asefo so be we move. Nti ewiwie na se nipa no se bi okafra na adwene amaso ama na nsa nkopɛ certified electrician bi ama na ma mehwe edan no wiring no se bi esitie ensu akwa we pie ba bi en ha adwene e wo se sesa wires bi de na wo se ya obeni ahwiya na oye na kase bi enso esan beba wani mra wo so no ufie 1 2 3 prr na bi ejatom 1 2 3 prr na akiki obi na electrocution ba ba shase akase di we de yebesre Electricity Company of Ghana mon se sa sensitization na se na bomani nye kese na manfo hu here ebe here se after sa flood in zone na twetwe no wo mo wires no wo mo electricity le fie na ya wire no yenhwe se nsuo anwawua wires ni bi anwawua cables ni bi mu ba bi a wokoso a on se nsuo so de light so de enka shock kese pa de beba Yenimra e hosuni e kunkum nipa bebiri. Ti we de yesre isijifo. Nanka sa sensitization ni sa education wo mfa nto omo ho so. Bo nsa ma no nkoye se we abaya so die. But wo mo me hunu se. Wo mo me hunu se. Use now you use electricity no omo dwene ye ho se light no ensa ma me di enya. This shouldn't be the burden of the government. This shouldn't be the burden of the government, but this should be their burden. Say, ye patronize your ye use your light in a seforo. Womo jini ye ho say ye mbewu and minti kwa faswa ya waya ye fia hubu nyina na seforo. It is time. See a certified electricians. No ba ye fie ho ba be wiring no saying necessity ensuo awura baby or how we betumi esi o kira oye na bi betumi esi o kira ate you okay say you betumi use your light na say dey peno because edan no hu nyina fofofofo ti su no we mu sa na betumi ahadwe ti we dey special appeal ne pa mo acho we mu tu sana moyi we mu yes education no we mu collaborating with NCCE no mo share sa education ya sintem so a mo ntwai ma asem mesi ansana wo mo ba be ka say and I say yes romo. This education is very needful. It's very important. They should prioritize that for now. Na into me moye na or how be ama me pim obeni guys South Africa for so who do say
Oh, Charlie, I was very sad yesterday. Na me share sa umwe protesting no. Then he pabako. Very bad government there. You demand for
or the crowd about why you protest? But it was here you protest. No, we say anamono mutu ninye. I know na me opini. The Obeka say, I say, South Africa, Bino F1D and Kofu, so I say, many of my agent.
That's all for us.
Because I won't force us, I demonstration. Then your ma, one more year, they send your ma, a prenipa, a brunipa, and my dear you before this protest, man, right, Barcelona. Nothing, money be to stop them. How? Why? Ade say more citizens he be finding himself in different countries. That's how happiness he be a poor money beje. Mo be pay. Oh Charlie, South Africa disappointed about.
Yes, we disappointed at the
tough time, high time.
Too much.
The disappointment from South Africa is so huge. Why must that happen? They are bound to win for crime. So if indeed illegal migration illegal citizens and answer amount for every side of South Africa not allowed that. It is the duty of a buy. Assure your people say you are going to take steps. Now omo kromu mu a omo nye timemufo omo ni nkrata e woso omo de tra honum no obetu adamu afa ho asa. Why should this happen? You are allowing timemufo to demonstrate and to kill different nationals. Are they? Opinion your fit.
Na anopay minka etie for say. RSYD Noviji Studio aba obia agya tum se eba mfonyini ye eba video na skit na apeso twa baby also okoye RSYD Noviji Studios omo ana edi wakagina mu ama wonso so watimi movie o dream na wo wani so no o dream na wo wani so no se beba mu a ohia RSYD Noviji Studios se eba se bia skit na wo ye ana se ekoba se wo twa movie ba se wo ye anniversary na apese o stream a omu ana beboa ti wo te ho ye dey RSYD Noviji Studios ewo Crime Malama Bia se first Kokroko Street ehwa ana ubehu yen na yanso so yani wadi akagida mu na de me dan so ne se your cameras ani da hopa chese udi twa mfonyina ani eya kama ne creative directors ho a if you the concept ne ba na pese ye direct wa yetimi direct o enso ema no eyeye etu to ho ye the brai na no pay ye no nhwemu me RSYD Novigi Studio ana no pay ye kanfo ede amawi. Alright, my friend, 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and now 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 and pay RSYD Novigi Studios 21st Clinic and a sciatica expert 21st Clinic they said you only me free dada no yesaya die bia na dia mankofo frɛ sciatica fo ne sɛ ye ne ekoye nhwehwemu hu sɛ enipa bia wa ade friend sciatica nerves a wo otisi achi bepem o 19 na etimi twon saa wanhwe etimi de asem ebrawo anonti yetena ase ne hu sɛ sciatica nerves na ho ka anase ho hya ase tutu twetwon a kyerɛw sɛ yade kase bi de akyire ba wanhwe de obeto dem enti die ne yade beka nso ho betimatɔ an yehu other alternatives aside the dry yade be ma obanye nhwehwemu a ye won mfidie de nhwehwemu an ye won mfidie de sayade ye wo doctors omo wo a omo tena sitie wa asema bi okure ni sɛ edi mfidie ni si uso na ya ma ho aduro de wo sɛ edi mfidie ka ho so ye de aka ho ne asa yade na afi ho atɔ enti yade na woto a omma na yen hwew yade bia ye hwe ye laboratory service wa ba ye lab o twa scan ho do manya afi na akɔ ba bia massage papa bi because physio for ne ho no mu adwuma over 15 branches over takra de Kumasi ye wo hwa overseas Sompa TV Sompa FM was show no muso for me any afa radio ne benso Obuasi Council Quarters Court Junction na be huen enkran ye Tantra Hill Sanso ana sunyani teaching hospital ye ne first gate in edi anhwe mothers den mu a enkran sanso ye ben children's park no hot na be attachment so GN Bank dan that day anymore for 0249311311 0249311311 and 0540311311 a 21st Clinic the sciatica expert arapel to ho ye day season nadru a OCP fertilizer season nadru de emolus kra eni ankro ma wani mmiri gadi na no pe won so tinchobo obede tinchobo wa bra wo de fertilizer e boland na afei enobaye no so etima so kama enobaye no be so doso enobaye no be sisi abrani e de amount eti anopay OCP fertilizer no de womnie ye wo de adidua legumes ti mo amudua legumes no ya OCP TSP fertilizer ne friend TSP OCP TSP mo amudua mo eburo atosode vegetable ti se nyadoa ntos jene moko de akeka ho no so onya NPK fertilizer no OCP 15 no I don't know here and I say onya OCP 2010 fertilizer no o de boland na natural enti bibia beba kama nya fe na akonya issues bia wo ho na we na bere na we na fet agim na yekoye test crowd ma debi we ya sheda ye conducive for your land no Africa this is Uganda ha nti ade na omfa papa preko e OCP fertilizer 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 909433 ura eye agrochemical shop bia na be ton fertilizer bia OCP fertilizer busa ombe mo bi enso ato Roman father nedro eye Father Martin say ba Mr. na no pay me come for the amount Father Martin say ba Mr. anopay oti ho yeden ade enti dan ko pay Father Martins Roman father no edro no Roman father no edro no eno ana ebeboa aba ho etimi atowo yade bi ti se wo ho ana ho aye tichichi onaye tichichi onsa tichichi odo ne apem ho apem ho masa adi be ye odi efa pempem ho ze de obo wrestling no enkope Roman father edro ni bi mbobo ba ho ntowo a Roman father drone stroke natural obi a pebi man ohonam ye oya ana hututu why bete why memre unya Roman father ne drone pressure diabetes ebeboa chronic diseases ni nyina onum bia beboa pa anopai manyame kwan na num Roman father ne drone no onyam so nya ho nsenkyereni 0247919122 0247919122 and 0552668517 0552668517 a Roman father ne drone drugstore pharmacy shop eba shop bia obenya bi ato tago eba mixture bema de maame masem ni mu na afi wonya bema mu benya bema wo ye half say because nyama enkoye enguase ato odi gba na odi tare na wai nti anopa kra utwe ska se de atufie fo akohoma se oni amu na yenim because nyama enkoye agu kojo to oye ho hwenye ye ohia tago heba mixture ene ne capsule bubu bi na hwe de besi nyoma besesa kra mu nso ani age tago heba mixture erectile misfunction away low libido ba oni atenka bema oni atenka ohia tago heba mixture infections ahodo ni nyina enso ohia tago heba mixture adopa kopebie na onso nonom 0243228296 0243228296 drugstore pharmacy shop bia bowra ho na odi akachom se opetago tago ne heba mixture no na anopei eno so admi edi wakaginamu ama ho enso ato anopei Tony Prempe Boafo eka communication team ema the New Patriotic Party NPP anopei watena se na yendi nkomwe also far message ni 0509438500 0509438500 hopefully Evans will be joining us for the National Democratic Congress. Na anope komo ayedie inflation arise to 5.3%. Na ni nyina non-food inflation, non-food prices. Enti non-food in prices na drive sa inflation yi. Ade na ejina oma ye economy kwan ya faso to nyomanim say na esi beko anope ye behwe no. So ana World Bank so Ablemu Finance Ministry no for physical controls when it comes to delay for a year garrid a year project na eno year for flat World Bank for the sikaba isenki e behwe ni aya emu di omu quote is around $350 million dollars as he say no emu 103 or so die yenya no ewa abanda danim omuso ebeka omunsa for flood adwuma no enso anope agenda 111 hospitals no yaka nwasema ya bre enso tienti ya yenya icheso a yesa guso a okopiem a adanse asokwa baby agenda 111 na chipe gala avurade na nyagopo ko mutu ni sedi omufa afeduru arapa ya tenase ye be ka ho ansem Tony Marche
minia mejoso
na empom to say
minia anope Ade Akye twedi ampama Ade Akye de na chese empom ye ye won kwa wa ho din de anida so ho na akasika
the guy so ye djume but the guy so tiwa emeshe ubutum Tony
oh minia se wa uni maban boni ya wa betena konya so yi obaye on 7 January 2025 ena authority ni chief of staff ma osake over 5,000 workers e ukromwa and I'm a member of the workers inti I think say no can be na American sasumi American say say no akai botum na twedi ampon yankopon de ode yankwanche o ama ya hoden nti akade aban ne be ebi na na kan say adwumasem na oba ye hwe nanim say 24-hour economy obi bia me aye bia wa mie adwuma so am ye dada na no oba ye no wa issue letters em konkotena fie nti ni nyina aka bi na nanim say 2028 beba ne abaje kan adwuma be no mini ana me Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources agency bi was a friend in National Alternative Employment Against Illegal Miners.
Okay.
Oba ye na chese osaki ye nyina ma ibe dabi on say omubaye na o he chief of staff issue letter say why ya fra obi I also kofie o mama some excuses bi ni ade but to call many institutions are o ma fa sakrata na ye mo call way back obi o cry fan 2017 e fa bi 2018 e fa bi 2020 me tie fa me on 2021 me try application me go through interviews ye shortlist yen me run through all the rounds and sana me nya offer letter but at the end of the day no almost come up me say nyamiti asi ya Ghana 40 asi di omo hu bibia na 2028 no ye ba power omo ye pam omo nyina na ye sa be ma omo ba na omo ba be ye omo adwuma se de se ne fata omo ahwe qualification omo ahwe nimdi ekuraye but omo for some dubious way be na the pam ye na me say bibia be fine minia
okay say dubious way they say can bet match challenge you legally ana
minia ene wa unim de ekoso Ghana though ya challenge bebre but wa unim results eba there are some certain courts be alleged that ye do ko jina you know o the asem ko you know the outcome already nti ye de ye no so atwen open na minim say 2028 ne ba bibia ba eku.
All right, me da say Prempe Samson Evans Obeng Samson Obeng Evans, I think I don't hear me the mom. Samson Obeng Evans, Mama, the National Democratic Congress. Evans are not pay marching.
Open against every Joseph.
Me pom to say. Good. Maybe I find say there. Na ye de janku pon ase. Okuni guzo.
You guzo right now no Kwabre. You
okay.
Branch elections and the no. You guzo because my member IT director Honorable Elvis. Oni Mr. Amin. Memo Mabaso. Director of elections are more Tonyoma. So they are vet in any BBA because I'm the one regional your friends a team member and swabba but and the venture no feeling omo boy juma BBA de na kwam
omna ye mom ba mom ono
no ba chwan you say omo call rounds Kwabre e vet in any branch elections you be a contest no no more say BBA be dey e be kama be a contest ni on so na vetting process no from na bibia eguso a ekoso kama
all right
na minia de onkafra enze adwuma de se uyebi na bibisi toa aya na eya but aya na film panifo no zo enze backdoor ni protocol sem na aya na doso bi on ma aya nhwe normal process na wo so fam no yem fa wo fam ye do afa chiri ene na kofa sa na manu ma wo
no ko interview o shortlist you
send na me ba na se me sabi me ko wo bi ade na ba na busa me de ko so meka dabi meka de wo be hu se ade na me ye ne right so one bi da wo de yen kan crunch church ye ho se o mo enu ha na aban bi aba na me ye madwuma yi se me ye government bi wo into obae no na wa be hwe me ni o ma wo se da bi won hwehwe wo se kotena fi sisa I just want to check one or two things we use that things are not properly done. Sorry, over country was a corner cotton fee. So what does it? Because you are fat and are quite a deal. Unlike the security services here now, free. And then this is one about a boy who the woman go for water forms. Every beautiful my fan and a black fire of a black fast or a black.
Son no more.
Now to be that. See none of the old man. So yes, one to say, oh, tongue you cry will be a day. I got to be. No boy. But here by I'm a sudden I man this year go for actually and a coin in France say military na a coin was here don't fast process also from na be due to ma be you mama ebua Ghana no one for me as you got trafia but I think that is the right thing so they understand no those me your family for right channel so they your friends say president and I say aban for be a bebia no yem pam na me got trafia enti on kafa no next time no mo say MPP aban so munya akonya bi no mo ba ibebu o man na mo hwe say o mo fa mra kwa so pepepeye transparency fairness bibia betima dey aye adwuma na o mo ya fa se be ya de na enyi kan yen san kon kotibi
all right me that say yan sha say na inflation cost 5.3% na almost say this time around non-food prices nama inflation are driving it to 5.3%. This annual and food so, but non-food prices are now driving into the current state 5.3. Evans, what's not saying, but what buying and this are indicators are yade ebo mai ebra.
Obono se medase. Me transit here na so me chia me so opinion sana makasa. The General Superintendent of the Savior Church of Ghana. Opani Abraham Kwaku Adusei. Me chia no na ma chia kwa Abo East. NDC fo ni na me omo so aspirant ye vetting no ni na so. We wish you good luck. Omo aye wi omo de so ye momo congratulations. Se de be bibia be kama omo ye adwuma. Mfamwa party no bibia enkoso na Linda Do nso Kenya ase. Linda Do no kre ye ka se ebu bia ba so se ebo na ba so pa. Edipo de no si wo party ni meeting ni ade utimi di na bia na be supply ma je se obi no bibidi ansa na ya party adwuma no. Odin se o tima ni awfama bi di ma party no. Baby Linda Do bia mechia no na dia na so de yi dia na omo ko se de be ya omo bitimi ama bibia ye kama. Na nia inflation was ma ye kan en say time na yenuanom ewo aban mu no ye hwe no ma na ekoso yemu say aban bae no say sahebi e bae na I don't know what's the question I dey yibusa sometimes ye beka say free 3.7 and I say yati 5 ye beka na say o ye koye ni mu a but yemu say na efri hin na wo hin this time na Ghana for ho to mo na yekoto aba na stella o mo sa aban dada na e wo na sa question na wo say dey yibusa yem enti yenhwe non food items a yemfa say apagyan ni mu na nika say ni ho e wo ho na emra rent control for na me show mo enema bi o me show mo video yi e wo adwuma o mo ye Greater Accra in fact na mani age ho pa say na wo say obi a tu nsi wo no dey na wo ye yenka se kwotana office na fa bonum na fa bonsiri yi na fa diago because oman sika na yere dey ebi tuauka ni zo master to madwuma na mo ni wholesale facilities owners ni bi edin komo kasa masa da bi ene ma mo fa so a mo tutututu wholesale ayin mu no ano den so na woman ni complain say ada ya ne baba o say tech ono zo ko twa the same thing no omu nyara no nya de ope da bi but omu woman ni say so won timi ndi sa hye no so de a ene den wholesale no close no so it will move bomb more than says and she and so bad. Sometimes human behavior and so day. I can't you know you suban and I know maybe one man your friend say you maybe I can't count something like lorry fare. So give out you for a official letter the better to lorry fare. But to go baby no want to tune or more had your mope. Mope. It's your command sana, no say your share inflation your check is money now. Me ho cheme na me pass comment na obiazo ho cheme no sa na be ma figures na dey omo so ye record wa be ma dey akoso do na shoot you there da bi ti mamfo no say no mo dey omo ka that is the number ye ka ho asem ba be fa amanu no ye mu say 2022 ana ho cheme sha say dey e ba ye so pa inflation na more than 50%. So ana ne ho chire ye ina Ghana fo hu say da bi ho cheme na ye mu no amwa ye edi wo say yes science na ekofa omampanyi bi ba yenhwe se onu zubeti mai dai aboa ya na those you say won say gem ba yi ni ndisi amanu ko ba yi ensesan ba na sensesan mai so yenhwe a whole 1.5 year city stability enen yen ka se fufu bia ejina etime jina na so saa abedu sise me so amani o mai so tie no yemfa something like ebia iron rose so tie ya ene ejina di ejina etimi koso biem ti se de enka ne no na etimi koso akodu 9000 na view ade be jogo ko na 9005 dabi eni ejina ho akona nim kakra no ebia 7001 na asa barachi 7000 na etimi koso gidigidi ti se de enuanom sometimes na ko koto your friends this way kra na ko na 5 cities ade be jogo ko 6 cities but ne you would you so eti o say ye bo aban na ba so ni you say inflation no se de na esi ye percent ka ekono no yemane nkona sa ene 5 point something ade be jena nke ba fo a se me ni na wo beto yi ene mo be dey e ba ba fom enti yanka yu say sa 5.3 na dan still stability here dey e ye adwuma so fiscal control dey e ye adwuma you spending your friends government money on Israel. They want to go to we. You said you need number phone. Yafu. Adia was this guy. Young fan, and then send you. And no matter Ekoso. Said you need pay Jakrana, and no man cost you. Said you now by that and no. So what I say because you really say. Send one more and be cool. You could try Abia. Or 15 cities, and your friends are able to be now could do 20 Ghana cities, but then insanity. It means Jan and also call a new Cacrasa could do certain level be a Pekaka Carrier, Nasa Bonechi, and no show say competence here day. Juma. It's a new Pego, yes, and can not say a main sign at here. And then you come out here, Kaka. Make us a problem, but the name, yes, you are day, at a Kaka. Your friends education sector. You buy, you only be on, no source for your buy. And now, for you, they come away, add your mukaka, and you must conform. So, it's you should be here, you better do there. I buy yet to swap. Project our on finishing, as we are chilly. But on my penny swabba, project our woman. Oh, yeah. So, what I say, Ama, and you may be very, I stabilize here, you're why the air to a kaka. All the 100% of crana, at least. Your feelings say, oh, I don't know my sway day. At the time, you go my day. Adrian. Eti, Yambo, Abana Basso. Now, you say, Abana, you recommend the Yanka Sanche, or you say, the Timmy may see a water cacano. Yan fancy a big team. Maybe be a day. I come up. All right. Not Ghana for a team, for now, Moko to Aba, Edema, and this America. And say, yes, you buy, and no matter be on my day. Ya mana stabilizer the day. Echo for my BBA come. Say, none that was yesterday. Fuel prices are from Kaka. So it's a bizarre because we go fuel. Say, Koswa, Anna, am I a cardiac canoe? Say, a Kosu will be a. So be a funny man from her to Yeja, and a Koso. Because driver, and no man are often what the year day. At the count, what the body way they better to so. But I said, Buffalo, Buffalo Manano. Said driver, so what they call 100 Ghana, at least, a say. 80, 70, we come by day. Agree. Enti ya mo abana ba so na we say bia abon yes ejina ho what you say ejina ho ejina obi de 1523 no
me da say Tony
minia
inflation 5.3
minia anope yanchia etifo ne ahwefo omo magebrehwe pa in fact anope chia omo na menchia Otafo constituency in fact wana me free by menchia me chama kojo chidima Steven na pamfo na Otafo constituency ya make history bi a chese broso unim say election na nyame adoma Saturday be na wotwe ekoto e constituency election ye koto only 3 portfolios pe ye koto second vice ye koto organizer ni ato deputy secretary dia kan nyina omo ko no post
okay
yes chairman e ko no post e chairman kojo chidima Stevens me am ko do first vice o ko no post so youth organizer Ebenezer Usu on so ko no post national coordinator Abdul Basit on so ko no post so Mamboni a o treasurer on so ko no post me am e pe free o women organizer on so ko no post and na madwumade omo ye ma party ninti ene omo experience o mu wonti no party ne members ne delegates all party nim so omo san to omo dwumade so omo election so da omo nim no ye show omo nyina good luck na nim say delegates nba ko yi omo mbetima bo party minia ma mentia me so for Reverend Samuel Opokumafo he minia etia e kan asem na asem na o kan on NDC for am say Ghana for time bi omti oba no mo ra ho or starting with recruitment or starting say police recruitment na time na wonte hwe ni ade he Mustafa Bandi omo deputy general secretary of science presidential staff abe kan last month on sister station on TV say police shot ni military shot e de bae no o ma checha ma omo hu a ebi mo kranya bi a o ma be ko hu tokwa e okrumu a o tie ka se ye de amfa ma abonte woni hu asem kwabre ya na mo nko slot hu e ko fa mo so mo do mo koyo mo yi o mo di afim body selection amfa o mo na mo nti kromu a bi ya ma me fa no nto nche na me mra asem no so he enne o ko to inflation wa say inflation e cut 5.3 my ade na 3 point something na single digit ye bedi akonya na inflation stable mo inflation yin nina ene the inflation no mo de figure no edida mo de figure no edida when you wasem enne dokro aye tam ne 35 cedi enne dokro ye 10 cedi okromu a enne okọ market a entos ba ko say 5 cedis ko estimating market ye entos ba ko 5 cedis mi ya be ma fish aye tam ne 35 cedi ne fish nkura 20 cedi ne 10 cedi unya fish nwi okromu a
but Tony say we non-food inflation.
Minya non-food inflation ka me ba so. Ma ba food no so me ba so. O tie ka dollar asem. Dollar na enye fa na affected. Mama ya to aba mama ya se yenu ye ho. O tie ka GPLT asem. You are the government, you are the sitting government. Say GPLT you have to frame and o mute first so. Na drivers do mu to meet so ade na wo se momo ye. Money transport minister. Bu so me ye fa me na o taxpayers money entuaneka. So minya asema ba non-inflation asemi ayeken Ghana for kokoto abama NDC aban Ghana for we say omo beto omo wo both food inflation and non-inflation side enemo ba ye no ensem de wo am kan kromwa series of a year mo ye no TV so de kire ye say mo ba enioma so betete mo ba enioma be koyie ni ade nyina no ene bibia ni wo koyie okromwa so minya muti wona offices na mutitete ne nkwan dewa na mosa so minya yen kan okra ne kire omo nkwan dewa na mosa de ade na omo ye minim sa aka de beba so but inflation na ye wo so no enne de omo des digiti adwuma no mo se digiti en fa nya hwe digiti ne nkire hwe na minya yen kan okra nkire ye ho se digiti ni free esi aba 5.3 Dear pa na esho on grounds ama wo say 5.3 na ye adwuma. Dear pa na esho ama ye hu say ama Ghana fo hu say 5.3 na omo no te wa omo ka say increase there enso aban na ebo na omo de. Dear na kire say ye adwuma on field. Dear na kire. So omo ni iti omo ba ye omo mo no ma. Enna omo di aturaba beji Ghana kunya. Enne omo di ehye omo ewo musika semu eni ade ne dollar ni ade eni trade omu ye no okromu anyina no ene omu de omu sagu omuti dam nim say Ghana fo asuansu omu asoansa omu hunu krowom ye time awo kanu starting free 2017 na inflation ne bla inflation ye na abedu 5.3 starting free 2017 na bla baby enya problem kakra bi ye 2022 2023 ehona wo nim world crisis ayenyan Russia Ukraine war COVID-19 eba Ghana ni ade ene ma ni o ma je nsemu kakra so but in all the plan you try manage the economy very well so it mean you are making na say it's that time so omudi no krema Ghana for
you think so omuni no kre
omun kan kre ndc aban kan kre na promises obai o ma yi na minia ba ko be no wetimaye promises NDC ababai and then otie ka say project continuation and omo to project so project ben and number omo to so Mamponte market si wo mani mu ase men no betwem o mere hoi Mamponte market o pai fa duma na afọ kwan so amini o nso makokate so mbesi 24-hour market
oh okay
iti Mamponte market na si won say sika ntimu timi fa to so yente ko na vice president ba o mo fa grade akokodua ani mu be ka say taxpayers money meneo IGF omo generate over 300,000 Ghana cedi omo de akokodua ani mu o yente ko mo na say sika na aba for 24-hour economy market na dey na mo fa koto asa market no so yes the governance is a continuous process most event man ye enu ti da Ghana for apam yes ye nkotena fi mu na mbetimaye mo ba ya mesi bunia oduru wa faduma na afọ kwan no so omo sa go kate sold so mo ba be 24-hour economy market ama contractor na mount big board ebo ho eno mu ya na me raho mi wa so ba bia Mamponte market na duru no mo de say scan koshima mo ti be complete ma traders no ekom last 2 days issue to ko ya teacher na etani mo so me dia ito mba yo mo no mba bia project omo de gu akwam de yeye ba omo ba yo mba beto ye adwuma so mo ka kire Ghana for enuoma omo kekan ensem de wo mo kan kromo anyina menua omba yo mutimi nyemba akokra na me de bia me kama asem say Ghana for yenum so ntwa ope 2028 it just had a corner Sekufado 8 years credit me buyer 4 years ne de enche beba ne duwa Ghana for be kwa kire de omunim de omasua eni amani hu a aban radio o mafam na ometimi sa de MPP aba ne aba beto enyuma paso.
Okay. Mama na say na yanko agenda 111 hospital project. I think majampo yanko World Bank and so enko mo di ni na efa flood project. Na utie the World Bank for can delay ni nyina every Ministry of Finance. Delay ye delay won nyoma bi ho, and then the sikana de buy no ye bo enkompo akwakosi ye chia de de ye ne babia ya ba bedru Accra an ye hu sesei no asay dru level a haye gina was nanom so hwe ya most banks no na baby odmo network ne tete ko oba ECG a omo apono kra na enya adwuma o find out omo say a free flood na esiwa Accra na ne certain a year esisi ho say can obia because of the position seat of government won cry no we are all indirectly or directly affected sheni pa omo nkwa free omo nsa ne nyina. The way forward for us is saying why the delay, why are we not doing what we are expected to do? Tony, Mama Brown.
Minia, the Medibe Dikine say, Unim say, the SU are crying now. Also, onte Accra Regional Minister.
Onteninka.
Lenda Brewa Oklu.
I don't Anteninka.
Na flood the ACA. Also a granting interview. Also a call sino.
Oh, seen what then definitely any day our call.
Minia, carry cause Dr. Lai Mahmoud Bawumia
careful so on grant.
President of the Republic, any the substantive minister minister responsible for works and housing. Gilbert, Oma Koro, Yehu, on call is on him. Award Bebano. One in the budget, the best performing minister. Linda Obriwa Okulu, the best performing minister. Tama ensure farm forward then tano. Ye man the best performing minister. She said the year for Accra nyina the whole circle ni adi nyina. Ye tabe man the best performing female minister e okromua. Binia die na ba betoja. Eye ye city, ye capital town. Eye overpopulated one. Enye the congestion, e say here demolition of waterways. Lindo Obriwa Okuba e no say, when you san your man into ba be demolition minia. Of excavator ko ba bi mienu rather site ni ade okwa wonim de oye owo na wa na apia kakra bi agu na atu ade nko mini amana me ka kire wo efie ba ko be no tim hu ni okromu a me da bia me ka sa se me papa mpo esi fie si waterways a na o tafu municipal assembly ba so mbebu a me prince o mumu cause mini a se ma mo mu a are na me wo fa ase bia na me ba bi kra na deku bia be fa no mini aso ta se me no ka say you lost over 12 lives. Hey, e mo wo nso ni krama you. Nkoko we ade properties are lost because of ebia die ba ko bia nke bebu attachment. Hwe ni o ma ya lost her life ya lost. Ni eti wo say because of Nintino. Mother, inside time say Ghana sorry as a country. Sa ni o ma we there. Means so na me yen politics and so cause see you describe about for greater Accra or say greater Accra resilient and integrated development project over $350 million e okromua let's scan that so da finance minister release this scanner ni amane to why den what power why den say so far man for there Mama interior minister be head press conference say mo release $350 million and they are supporting omo adan na was yet no many pagu yet no bibi to obi ansa na yakwa akoye biya itie de ye kanyina ne say one omo hwe na Accra di congestion baby e was di congestion in demolition cost bia omo nyem free ho omo nyem free ho bia ho ntono na baby e was nsuo ni fa kono emfa nko. So, be an American World Bank report no say, Maminkai Kakrana me fancy or say, the World Bank has identified fiscal restriction introduced by the Ghana Ministry of Finance as a major factor behind the delays in executing the Greater Accra Resilience and integrated development project, a flagship intervention designed to address persistent flooding and strengthen urban resilience in the capital. Mobile 1.5 years. Dear Namotawoye, Gilbert Ajay, Kenneth Gilbert Ajay, Minister for Works and Housing. Hey, they are covered ko any picture. Na ko see any picture. Or to office one and quite dewa no was you nim the oba why in kromu a. Minia. So only be ade catch me. Works and Housing Minister oba e pa ade no why in kromu a minia. Obehu road minister fine no kate so no na ha no hwese e be kwan we say Gilbert Ajay our minister responsible for works and housing oba ye project ben na waye oba ye di ade no waye oba ye nsuo farmanfo anamo ben wotu. And this is not the first time nsuo farmanfo amomo wa ban mu mo ba ye nsuo fa dentafo Gilbert Ajay ensi ho nkwan de one or two office no osa minua and ye taxpayers money say tuaneka. The last time me di hu no na say e ombe kate so do bi wo I think in Suta baby so mbesi estate bi. Oh minia isuo yiri farm for Okosi estate. Isuo yiri farm for
house and so can you hu ni
portfolio. E ka ho de but first thing first tama na o kate za so do na isuo yiri fa denta for sprinters na isuo yiri fa omu correct. So minia it ye wo say ministers no you put woman on their toes no but me ye adwuma to our expectation cause me no taxpayers money dey do aneka. So minia it be the man who sin dey be kan nyina ne say one omo hwe na demolition bi e wo so omo ye no akra na omo nye last 2 days me tie kwasi fori eye kumasi mayor Zuba o say containers e chested do mo ahia nyina omo yin free o enye say be creative flooding e wo kumasi enu bi ni epetie obeko ground so obeko hwese ye free obeko hwese demolition na koso Linda Brewer Cluty office enu on dey nkwan dey one was award ba ni asa friend say we your best performing minister aden
ma member ontwa so no anya time dewa enti ba me for azia na member Evans so Evans what bank and the ministry of finance
but I say na unia entity ni na Ghana for you aya wo sua de oba on for figures mbra is a better na we new class $350 na de buy no say na aban ni use bi onu aya na am bi for new sua de am bi for new sua de e ban ana fi atrosem na da so atrosem na da o kasa mankasa nti yedi na kasa
nti en ka chem se mabon sa asem ne de enka
me catch us what bro because figures now $350 no and now
no it's unfair statement
Mate unia ma retract that statement but the me pese me catch Ghana so na say and na even na wo kwa increase one back here 5 cities and even so what I say if you overtry onya nyoma na was work no o chop too much so me can your grounds o come and point market asem obi an kase man ka e friend man point market oh no there be and sanity but your friend said district and municipalities are you ba see 24-hour economy market ni bi dey this market ni ye ba ba ye asa kwa see 24-hour economy ni ye market ni dey because no ye for entire municipality ni na so that here because anyone wey person dey 24-hour economy market ni no etoso school sheni hospital sheni o hwe ba bia mambote market yi ya ebe na saa ni mo netima ye dey aye adwuma mo na yi eni yo eti ye plus o ye budget ni say ye ba ye mambote market no na ye asakwa kwa 24-hour economy market na ye dey ye ba be si no eti ni mo na ye dey ni obi sa ho asem ni akyerɛw eni dede eni kasa na wo zo ba ye nkwa ye friend say World Bank asema na wo kan so hwe otia o ko tin say regional events Accra regional minister okọ grounds otia osi baby na wo bi da ase wo ti bi wo hefa as regional minister na atuye chem say ato man for no to office o say nkwan there well today say kasa no so ko fa de hin phone so ko fa de hin so aya no onya atosem na e ba ya na o mo tete o mo mba ye face TV ni radio so aya no mo ka no o so dey you so
kan ya atosem
oh eni go so be ka bia oni wo abia yi we no ka e friend say Dr. Baumesem no the amount $350 when you see your friends say $103.8 in the time 2020 as a 2024 na say can you program or saka e was so mo di adwuma bia no mo ye nti mo ye adwuma against of frankofo at least and can for half me half where you baby o nti sika na ye de mo no mo ye no was direct $65 as I akọ community secretary saba ko no no mo be o man no so that's here and one community is ketchu bi o mo ji o mo because of community ni nyani o mo so just kind of fine as care the man say for project we say direct $65 e de ko community mo so de kwa koye adwuma me no o start to okasa no o na be say on fanya politics na me pepa na submission e good aferi okwa so mo yateto mo nti oba sa na obeye so sika mo yusu nyina dia de na mo de ye ade ya no mo botai a mo fanya adwuma no dia de na mo de ye enti fa na ni sabaye no won se da bi project mo se mo yusu sika e de adwuma bia at least you expect yen ke bia mo start en bia kwa kogu fa na ni zakọ na go yiwe dem no Joshua to no boase your investigation you the be contract ye the money person kwadi mo no na so benten enti e wusa de ni ya ni e bisa no wi sika say ye de ma wa wo to no mo adwuma no wa ye dai wa ye obi e involve bia no e so ba no be yin ho ano all these things it takes time because mo ba no say mo ye samusi ana mo de me person mo krata be che finance minister na say abanda dan say oh project we ye na dua say give me but abi bi na ya say na agi say wo bi na wo fa wo to buase e hwe ni mako ansana wo say na abi na tie it project say na tie project no wo say finance minister his excellency omni world bank akasa as your master project to 2027 say bi aso ni mu a so what you say enti sika na aka no de mo yusu na ma va na he na ene enso yiri va krafo no sika na aka no ana president finance minister e share world bank for no ono mo si da bi aka no ye say project na krafo ya de ba be ye no ye be ya na finish ye be finish bibia kama say de be ya at least and mo so problem no kwa na e so be dey e be te so what you say na world bank kasa say we say o si delay on kasa o so on physical na ye dey e ba mo da bi ana ye ba ya so enti physical control ye be say ban best police ka onozi so project we ya ye so we na ye o si ye dey ye de kuku sim na bi ye dey e kama ade nso na esi wo no msa na enye yizo ana ye yizo ntu onfo ye timi mfo ye kan one guy do interview omu try video ni bai enzo ton na nkofo to bola e de bugates ni e de zo de ba fawo obi is filling station bus stop boys eno na me show mo filling station wa to one be blocking so ni kwan no e de zo kwa na say kan no na say back e fa nipa e de yebo aban na ji say o aban fa ni ma won panya dai ewu na kwan na say de be ya efiri no e be kofu na say ewu no ni yesu ye tie wonfo ye timi mfo no den na wo say ye say de be ya enzo nya dai emfa ye gata wona agoto bola gumu a e be re pe na mama na koto gumu ana say ni sa na koto gumu e ya isu ba so kan bi so e di na say mi na say oba no te ye friend say onya akonya na o kasa on ka facts on ka de o sika no 350 na o kan waso eriwo MPP amane kuo no MPP aban no e yusu bi a wan fanya de papa bi a won timi van example say e ni bi ye dey ye koyai o mo yusu $103.8 million ana mo yusu sika no so ate sika kene o no ana his excellency any finance minister hwe no man to say de be ya project na ye kopa e friends the world bank achew say o mo so emwa ye na ye ntimi yes project say de be ya ye friends Accra flood na betimi dey akofom no enu no mo hwe no mai dey o mai say 350 ebiwo na abaya bibi o de bi ko COVID-19 o ma ta bi o ma fa na hwe sika mo say so wa nyina o ma bi ejoba ontu obifo ontu na abaifo ni ewu se dabi next time onya akonya na o so otimi tutu no nyama sa Dr. Baumia no ma no nam ho ye nyina e come fly ko go the down if abam da bai come from abam 8 years another 4 years na won koye de wo ye ya engineer be na na edimiti covid toto no any events Batman MP wonu kwade wonu shi kwa
asenso
ani wonu wi wonu bi
amen kasa
na de obetra so be wa me hazu na ye ni minister dia de mo ye e wa kra o ye dey so ni bi dia ko ye bi You go for what you are, yeah, and go for some of them, and I'll know you. Some of them be by not a person, sir. 8 years on the table, a person class, I don't know. A person, and so you from Kofu said the American was me. And now, Mia, a very. Yeah, I'm going to show you.
Say this time, go send your kind of.
But you want to say, you want to say, the time may soon be done, not come be come, and you have phobia. Anyway, but problem you hope. 8 years, I'm going to use 103.8 million dollars. We are not going to do it. It's an essential money. One year money to I was only a boat, so we go by one what this kind of pack, what do you mean? More than you who, what tell me? I'm not telling you what we are about to be. You know, have your mark contract.
Scadia no much idea.
103.8 million dollars.
No man change.
No man tell you
what day a home detaining now, but the Jumo Mudi.
I
want he said they have invested into the
almost
anyway, don't
trade. I say, you camouflage, so that's it. Only you. Your friends say, carry for everyone who comes or your friends are training about so processing near the ecosystem. Camouflage, or my teddy, I didn't know before. It is a mechanism or my teddy, you must walk. What the all farm out and say, all of our most car, or I will check no more say, sit down, and then I listen. It should be a father in the Yagata Kamu. What for this carabao, when you saw the bagana and maybe I come. I had to walk for London, Sarah, was it is your father? Oh, second of the young lady. Everybody will kill me. But one for 20 years, you're telling so and father by name, and you be Abia. Or because, oh, I'm pa. The boy or boy, it's in a style when you do more than the other. I saw the Dr. Baumia credit, and you can say, Cocoa, then I will go.
I said, Manaki.
No, I got so. I was in a new. Because I didn't down. Then I'll hear.
Well, I say.
So, thank
you, Evans. Kwame Nkwantabisa.
Yes.
Unim share. Mini on. Oba how far baby. Serious. Mini make a show. That be catch them man. That you want to say you want to say masa you that's that be the oil no me want to say so sick in his stomach ba o oko city news online
Tony.
Me Nkwantabisa now man dia na kind of petrol.
But when did you attempt? When did you attempt?
What dey me retract what dey me come asem so time news oko city news online or say according to the report due to time tin man can you say according to the report the Ministry of Finance imposed limits on project distribution and temporary sweep scan on no say you know 13.8 million Ghana cedis. What year ka say $138 million? Ghana for say wona wo tie twatwa no pay. Ghana for tie who say wona wo di twa no pay. Sika ye yusu ye masa what na make a choro. O ka say Asama make Ghana for who say 13.8 million Ghana. And you $138 million now tier can. Binia, what the not on Chaya? When you want them, more by 1.5 years. Most contract cost moment to be prosecute to Obiao. When you want them, and this for a Casana Mocasa, what tier Casa Subwachasem. Mr. Western now see minister, Faneto to us and Subwachi. Eba qualification, eba school mako, eba nyuma maye, eba nyuma maye wo kromwa. Foko compare na we. You had the chair.
Melase. Rebata na you. And why your substantive so time no elapse. Mami bra man so that I remember na cry. 0548931931. 0551. They say una do topic show with you battery. They una do topic show. To one now my. To one now. Never not to us. Tony de Uska. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my boss. Then Pombo Kwame ain't you. Bye line.
Okay,
smart, yet you wanna pay.
the patrol, sometimes this community only try to be politics. No, over theory to show who should have to pay for them. Say, Dr. Pomiano, one person say, no, I'm going to Papa, Dr. Pomiano, I can indicate you an energy. With a from a flow, Marcus, I you.
Smart, I mean, that's what pound or attractive when you be at him. Say, yeah, but yes, you fed Obinian Winnie patenting. Yes, even retract what he said. Hello, good morning.
Whatever.
Yes, sir, bra. Now,
good day. Little bit more of a member of the French modern command, no copy, Chama for Fred in the Bosch Ashanti region. Lawyer Twitchy, Ashanti region assistant secretary, Papa, National Fulcrum, Honorable Richard Nyako, 2 times assembly member, presiding member of Fulcrum, the Yuma Party, and Crawford said, or my first vice chairman, LMPP, non for party major power. Over, you see, NDC for women, I'm a Mogana for. What by more 1.5 years, almost 2 years in here. They do no opposition. John Mahama and any more John and more opposition. As you say, is the solution to all the problems facing us as a country. What by 1.5 years, almost 2 years in here. And then more phone time and they see that John Mahama more phone time way. No one ended in your bed now say Anna Baumiano that John Mahama push will be Mama Way or no push will be. Our people are more fun time. What as president before? And can you say what could if you position 8 years and go to Nyanza?
That means I send the America. What's your Nyanza say? Okra is it? Or be catch you say, what's your Nyanza? You feel bad. Let us not do that. You better make a submission void of insult. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
We did a because of your swati, one of them with a computer.
Good.
Michelle Pioneer, we are my Professor Alabi. Is that your for Quachama for share? So, any chairman, Nanabusi, what you may see party office come my NDC, I have one shanty, which I know. So I didn't because of catch or my say, in your portray, you found support to President, you know. Don't me idea is see. I tell you, I am ripping a CEO. Oh, sorry, we just want to sell car somewhere in your day. So, I want to know because I know the president in Athens. Why would they? I did that. You can't boom. You are doing any job of you. Oh, money in Asia, and your president, the mama dear. Oh, money in Asia, I just hear. You poor, you can't pay more. Not to me. Let the $2 million for an media for Siamina. They say it's let the $2 million. I can let the $2 million. No, I can what? I can't wait to see. Yet you let him take care of the let it or and it's to the 1 million. Let the $2 million. For that type is guy, if I can bear, if it's not for a car, so Busoria, because I know see the mama so 8 years, the demand don't be a poor. I can't buy one year 5 months in here. I can do what you Inshallah.
Inshallah. May that say. Any birthdays, I'm sorry. So happy birthday to Mrs. Teresa Sapon. Mrs. Teresa Sapon, aka Ade Akye, from your daughter, Ade Akye Abia. Ade Akye says, happy birthday, mommy. She loves you so much. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Christopher Techi, aka OK Junior. OK Junior, happy birthday. Yamima onyini me penyimpa me penyikese. Okay, happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to General Constable Boachi Owusu Clinton of Ghana Police Service, Asante Aguna, from Benzema at Asante Aguna. So, sir, today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Constable Clinton. Enjoy this wonderful day. And happy birthday, an incredible birthday to you, my nephew Osikeni Kwabna Kunedu Owusu, aging grace and greatness, a grade 1 student at Nazareth Montessori School, Otafo, from Uncle Ken Wilberforce, Osei Secretary for Otafo Constituency NPP. Osikeni, happy birthday. And happy birthday to Mr. Erica Frifa at Fiasiman Community Bank, Bogoso Sika Fie branch, from your wife Sarah Frifa at Chefura Bank, Dunkwa Onofin branch. It's a banker's menu. Wife Dopao. Hey, also my happy birthday, Mr. Frifa. Enjoy this day. And happy birthday to Jessica Opoku at Wager. You are a business lady. May the Almighty God bless your new age and make his face shine upon you as you enter a new page of your life. From Terminator of Boss FM. Terminator, so my happy birthday. And happy birthday to Mr. Anane Kobu at Big Bay Sport, Doma Hinkro, where free Odo Yire, Akye Dorothy, so Oma Wodapa, no say Nyamisha, and so the mound. Happy birthday to Milov, the manager of Brogo Guest House, Asafo, from your lovely wife, Obaya at New Swami, the braised rice seller. It's your Obaya say, Nido papa bi, I from me love. Happy birthday. Ye odo when your uncle be day or say day or my chinkwa mwa wodapa. And happy birthday to Madam Ernestina, Sunday School, Madam at Onyi's Assembly, Ahenema Kokobing, from Sir Sly and Onyi's Children Ministry. Ye teaching kwada teacher Jamishle Shiramu. Happy birthday, Madam. Koswa netete nkwadano ewo nyame akwan so. Na nyame be chira no ayo kesepo. Akoma so ade nyina emrem. Happy birthday. Afi happy birthday to Mrs. Alice Adomako Mensa at UK, from your husband, Reverend Kofi Adomako Mensa at UK. Honorable Wofa anwam ukunu se odo na o se nyame hia ma Mrs. Nyame fofra adom nko adom no ma kwa tenten. Honorable anwam so say ono so ta chire pampe. Happy birthday to you. And I think happy birthday to Bestmark upon the actual lawyer, the incoming lawyer. Papa na kuma pana dreampa na ho Brazil or service radio. I was happy birthday Esquire from family. I think old member staff of J Life FM for now. So my happy birthday. Jamisha no nyo kese senior pon na me man adom no koso anya kese ma. Ye lawyer ba ko pe a oba. Jamisha, happy birthday to you. On that note, work